Rebua, nice pass.
Luan. Flores. Ibay.
Nice pass.
Abuso wala. Rebua.
Okay.
Ibay tries. Basket.
Nice.
Good by Ibay. Yeah. Moving the ball. Still by Ibay. Flores. Flores easy basket by Flores. Number 18. Era. Era single play by Era. Abreros. Abreros by Flores. Abreros still. Full team by Newell Flores. Abreros 6 to shoot. Wala. Angeles. Signal play by Angeles. 15 to shoot to Flores. Back to Angeles to Ibay. Ibay to Flores. And to shoot. Abuso for 3 goes. 2 points only. By Abuso. Number 5. Era. Signal play by Era. Era. Moving the ball. Laksak. Pass to Rebua. Still by Era. And to shoot. Pass the rail. To Rebua. Good by Rebua. Abuso. Angeles. 15 to shoot. Signal play to Abuso. Abuso still. Last touch by Era ring the ball. Last touch. Angeles. Signal play. Flores still by Eugene. To Era. Easy basket by Era.
6'2", ay 6'4".
Number 10. Angeles. Ring the ball. Signal play by Angeles. Angeles to Newell. Newell to Abuso. Abuso to Angeles. And to shoot. To Ibay. Ibay tries. Wala. Still. And that starts by Flores. Eugene. Still by Newell. Easy layup by Newell. Carlos Newell for number 26. Pass to rail to Rebua. Akang sumaksak Rebua.
Uy, hindi nakita.
Still by Angeles. Angeles to Newell. To Abuso. To Ibay. Ibay tries. Basket by Ibay. Number 22.
10-4.
Era. Signal play by Era. Yung Abreros. Abreros sumalaksak. Wala. Follow shot by Rebua. Easy. Basket by Rebua. Angeles. To Ibay. Tatangka. Pass to Abuso. Angeles. Side step. Wala. Block and foul by Cabrera. By Angeles. First row. Pasok. Second row.
Check. 520, 99.
Thank you, sir. 529. 397. Pass the rail. Signal play to Rebua.
Ganda ng ikot, sayang
Wala. Rebound by Ibay. Laksak. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Nual to Flores. Flores second play. Abuso to Angeles. Angeles tries for 3. Rebound by Eugene. Pass break to Ira. Steal by Abuso. Angeles tries for 3 again. Pasok. Angeles 3 ball. Time out. Pinasarap. Lapit dito pag magta-time out. Sab.
Break. Lapit kayo dito, break.
Lapit kayo, both teams ha, pag magsasab tsaka magta-time out. Lapit kayo dito sa table.
Interview mo mamaya ito. Pagkakang ano ha? Pagkakatar interview mo mamaya. Oh, dapat talaga gano'n. Pag magka-time out, tsaka mag-ano.
Panulit mo lang to, parang sila lang eh. Panulit mo lang eh.
Dinatungan. Parang si Richie lang eh.
Si Jersey lang eh. Back to the ball game.
Awit na lang.
Ako Abria to Ira. 15 to shoot. Ira side step. Oh, foul. By number 26, Nual. Ira to Eugene.
Nice pass.
To Rebua, wala.
Wala. Top roll pa naman.
Abuso, still. By Ira. Easy basket by Ira for 2. Angeles. Signal play to Ibay. Tatangka. Back to Angeles. Angeles tries for 3. Angeles. Wala. A rebound. A steal. A lot stats by White. Steal by Angeles. Angeles to Nual. Wala nice pass. To Flores. Binitin. Abuso. To Nual. Wala. O pa rin ni Nual. Angeles tries. Wala. Rebound by Pastor to Ira. Oh, napalakas ang Abuso to Angeles. Signal play to Ibay tries. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. To Abria. Tatangka. Pass to Eugene. Nagtatangka. Back by Ibay. Still by Pastor 10 to shoot. To Rebua. Wala nice pa. Basket by Rebua. May kasama pang foul. By number 22, Ibay. First personal foul by Ibay. 17 foul. For the first quarter. Bonus shot by Rebua. Price wala. Rebound by Ibay. Ibay to Angeles. Angeles to Ibay. Oh, it's foul to Ibay. Ibay to Flores. Signal play by Flores. Shoot to Abuso to Angeles tries for 3. Wala. Rebound by Rebua to Ira nagtatangka. Side step. Pass to
Time out ako.
Rebua for the Dama. Loyal.
Napa-time out si Uncle Loyal. Tatlo na lang.
Angeles. Abuso to Nual. Back to Abuso. Still by Eugene. Pass break. Nakuha pa rin ni Abuso. To Angeles to Flores. Tatangka. Sumalaksak. Flores. Foul. May sumabit. Foul on number. First throw by Flores. Pasok. A second throw. First personal foul, 13 foul. Second throw by Flores. Pasok ulit. For 2 by Flores, number 18. Era, signal and play. To Pastorel. Pastorel back to Era. Pastorel, rise for 3 by Pastorel. Pasok. Pastorel, 3-point. Abuso. 2 by. 15 to shoot. 2 by. Ibay nagtatangka.
Nice block.
Kapal by Pastorel. Pass break by Eugene. Back pass. Juanira. Oh.
Sayang, ganda na sana.
Milaw. Dribble the ball by Abuso. Aras by Abrea. Wala nice pass to Ibay for 2. By Abuso.
Yun na, kapal.
Pera.
Pre, konti kasi tayo.
1 minute. Exactly 1 minute for the first quarter.
Relax na relax lang si coach, oh.
15 to shoot.
Ay, ah.
Era to Pastorel. Pastorel tries for 3 para rin. Wala. Rebound by Flores. Dual. Oh, last touch by Flores. Redua pass to Era. Era side step by Era. Wala. Rebound by Flores. Flores. 30 seconds. Flores. 25 seconds. No shot. Oh, it's a troubling by Flores. Last 20. Era. 15 seconds. Pastorel tries for 3. Wala. Rebound by Redua for 2. Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Flores. Aras by Pastorel. Flores tatangka. Pass to Ruiz. 5 seconds. Oh,
Wow, tulak.
it's a foul.
Kitang-kita.
May penalty na.
Last 2 seconds. First personal foul by Flores. Last 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Redua.
Nadali pa. Uy, muntik na.
That's our first quarter. Ruiz to Ganaban. Ibay nagtatangka. Ibay. Pass to Ganaban. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. Eugene to Abrea. 15 to shoot. To Abrea. Guerra. 10 to shoot. Still. Galabat to Ibay. Still. Last touch by Abrea. Ira nagtatangka. Side step by Ira. Pass. Still by Abrea. Abrea sumulaksak. Ibay tries for 3 by Ibay wala. Rebound by Abrea. Abrea. Ira to Redua. Aras by Flores. Oh, it's a foul by Flores. Number 2 inbounding to Redua.
Ganda ng dukot.
Inalikot ni Redua for 2.
Parehas na, parehas.
Parehas na score. Ruiz, wala. Rebound by Abrea. Abrea pass to Ira.
Natirahan pa.
Ira tries. Wala. Rebound by Ibay. Ibay nagtatangka. Ibay. To Flores walaksak. Wala. Rebound by Abrea. Still by Victa. Oh. So black and foul by number 2. Bounding Ibay to Flores nagtatangka. Flores sumalaksak. May suwabit by number 4 Redua. O to by Flores. First throw. Pasok.
Nag-aya kayo sa ano sa city dati bago ako maglalaro.
Second throw.
Ang update kaya mapawisan yun.
Second throw, pasok by Flores for 2. Alright.
Bigyan mo ng warning niya, second motion.
Sino? Eugene, warning. Second motion. Passing lane play, Haras by Ganaban. Era. Extend to shoot. Era. Tangka. Pass to number 2. To Gonzales. Wala. Rebound by Ibay. Ibay nagtatangka. Side step. Basket by Ibay. Number 2. Era. 7 minutes. Still by Galaban to Ibay. Ibay nagtatangka. Ibay. Side step pa rin. Nice sumabit.
Dami mo ng highlights, coach.
By number 2.
Coach, madami ka ng highlights.
Time out. Pinasarap.
Nakay-coach lahat yung highlight.
Ay, 6:50. Wala. Second throw. Second throw. Pasok. Basket for 1 point by Ibay. Buhat yung Era. 6:50 seconds. 6:50. Signal by Era. Era to Gonzales. Gonzales to Eugene. Eugene to Era. Aircon to shoot. Era. Haras by Galaban. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales. 4-3 wala. Rebound by Flores. Flores sumalaksak. Easy basket by Flores for 2. Era.
Balik sa tao.
Eugene.
Gusto palang gano'n, no?
Gonzales wala. Walang shot by Irabua wala. Galaban! Wala! Rebound by Eugene! Rebound by Eugene!
Galit na galit.
Pass to Rebua for 2. Nice pass!
Pahirapan yung
By
basketball,
Eugene to Rebua.
Parang ganyan na, no?
3 by Ruiz.
Baba.
3 points
3 points. 21.
by Ruiz.
Nice paring ka naman. Diyan lang.
Era. State. 15 to shoot. Number 2. Eugene to Rebua.
Lamon.
May sumawat. By number 5 and 22 seconds.
Sayang yan.
Pass. Oh, napalakasong pasa. Rebound di Galaban to Ruiz. Galaban to Flores. Oh!
Ay, nabitawan.
Last touch by Give the ball. 4 and 53 seconds. To Rebua tries. Pumasok pa rin. Ang shot ni Rebua. Ibay. Aras by Gonzales. 15 to shoot. Flores. 10 to shoot. Victa wala. Rebound by. Oh, steal.
Number 2.
Foul by number 2. Ibay. Steal by Rodan.
Sayang.
Ganas. Nagtatangka. Oy. Galaban. The traveling call by Galaban. 4 minutes. Oh. Galaban. So step. Tapal by Castrin. Oh. That's by White. Pinasarap.
Coach, mas na coach. Ikaw lagi nasa highlight.
Swimming pa ako eh.
Lagi kang kita dito eh.
Era. Steal by Galaban. Ruiz, Gonzales, Gonzales, nakawala. Victa, wala na
Ganda na pasa.
to Ruiz by Victa.
Atin bola.
Right ball. Sub.
Focus. Nakapokus sa'yo.
3 and 37 seconds. 3 and 37. Ibay to Flores. Pass to Ibay. Pass to Flores. Wala nice pass. Right Ibay to Flores. Abrea. To Rabua. Laksak. Wala. Ruiz 4-2. Walang timeout pinasarap ha. Walang timeout. Abrea. Uera. Nakawala. First row by Flores. Pasok.
Palaki.
Second row. Pasok ulit. Abrea.
Walang foul ha. Alas D. Body block lang.
Rabua, pinilit wala. Magbabay Galaban.
Travel.
Traveling call by Galaban. Abrea. Foul by Galaban. First personal foul by Galaban. Ilang foul? 14 foul.
Kulit.
Rabua. May surabit. Foul on.
Vincent Paula.
Foul red.
Hindi pa nakikita yung nangyayari sa pick. Foul na.
Number 22, Ibay. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shot by Rebua.
Pag nagpadala ka sa tawag nila, di sabot ka. Ganun lang kasi
First
yun.
row. Pasok.
Pre, box outin nyo ha, pati titira ha. Atin yan,
Second
promotion
row.
yan, atin yan.
Wala akong tape na.
Pasok ulit.
Malaki ba?
May maliit lang, pandaliri. Sunlo.
Tayo, ikot tayo pre, oras tayo.
Flores pass to Ruiz. Ruiz nagtatangka. Pass to Ibay. 15 to shoot. Galaban. 10 to shoot. Ibay. Pasok. Naglagay lang ng sibuyas.
Uli!
Rebua.
Nakashoot sila dito.
Abrea. Sumalaksak. Pass to Cabreras. 4-2. Wala nice pass by Abrea.
Time out.
Violation.
Ilang oras ba kaya?
147 seconds. Inbounding Cabreras. 147 seconds. Cabreras. Still by Ibay.
Bigay pre! Saan ko lang
Ibay. Ibay nagtatangka. Pass to Galaban. 4-2. Ibay Galaban. Abrea.
Kapon.
Pass break to Pastorin. Pastorin to Cabreras. Cabreras sumalaksak. Wala. Still by Eugene.
Tapos, goal. Last touch, sorry, buwak.
That's touch by Rebua.
Pre!
Galaban.
Para wala rin transition, mabilis.
To Ibay. Ibay. 15 to shoot. Rice ball. Pasok pa rin. By Ibay.
Import ng Qatar yan.
Uy, ayun, hindi ko napadupot. Yeah, nice B! Ayun lang dito yan, no? Representative ng Kuwait.
Oh.
Box out, Victa!
Siya lang dito.
Siya lang.
Last 53 seconds. 1 seconds.
Ano, ayos?
Mga Pilipino. First throw, pasok.
Kasi pag matigas yun.
Kasama ba si Flores?
Sa practice lang. Sa 24 pool, kasama sila.
Second throw, pasok pa rin. Eugene, fast break. Wala. Galaman. Abreros to Abrea. Abrea!
Sabi mo, huwag ikaw, diretso ka eh.
Galaman. To Ruiz. Abrea. Aras by Abrea. Ruiz. Speed. 30 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Victa. Rebound by Rebua. Last 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. Ibay. 10 seconds. Dito na lang maririnig. Game ball. 37. Valencia. Eugene to Pastoril. Pastoril to Eugene. Pass.
Nice pass.
Nice pass. Oh, wala. Rebua, oh, may sumabit. Foul by Cabuso. Number 5. Two shot by Rebua. First throw, pasok. Second throw. Second throw, wala. Still by Eugene. Eugene pass to Rebua. Rebua. Follow shot. Oy. Ayan. Cabuso. Cabuso to Angeles. 15 to shoot. Flores. Flores ulaksak. Wala. Rebound by Cabreros. To Ira. 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 Dribble the ball by Ira. Pass to Rebua. Rebua. Easy basket by Rebua. 9 and 12 seconds.
Bigyan nila ng bigyan si Rebua. Ubus yung ilalim nila.
Cabuso to Nual. Nual to Cabuso. Cabuso 10 to shoot. Cabuso sumalaksak. Pass to Flores. 5 to shoot. Flores wala. Rebound by Eugene. Eugene to Rebua. Uera 15 to shoot. Pastoril tries for 3 by Pastoril. Wala. Rebound by Cabreros. Cabreros. Kapal by Flores. Wala pa rin. Oh.
Foul.
Foul. 37. Eugene to Rebua. Wala nice pass. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles to Nual. Nual. Easy basket by Nual. Carlos. Era nagdatang ka. Crossover. Still. A kicking violation. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Rebua. Rebua wala. Rebound by Cabreros. Cabreros. Wala pa rin. 15 to shoot. Eugene to Rebua. 10 to shoot. Pastoril tries for 3. Pastoril 3 points.
Kunti na lang oh.
Valencia. Yung Cabuso. Cabuso. Dribble the ball by Cabuso. 15 to shoot. Flores. Flores. 10 to shoot. Angeles. Tries. It's 3 points by Angeles. Era still by side step. Wala. Rebound again by Ira. Ira to Pastoril. Pastoril tries for 2. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. Palong shot. Wala pa rin. Eugene pa rin. Cabuso. Pass to Nual. Wala. Rebound by Cabreros. Cabreros. Cabreros to Ira. Ira side step. To Cabreros. May sumabit. Timeout Team Loyal. Yung foul rep. Pass to Rebua. Rebua! Wala! Imamay Kabuso! 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 Oy! Double dribble! Era! Era! Era to Eugene! Eugene! Still by Kabuso! Kabuso!
Ay, traveling pa.
Abrea! Aras by Galaban to Era! Era! Aras by Nual! And to shoot! Era still by Carlos! Foul by Galaban! Galaban to Ibay, Ibay tries for 3! Pasok pa rin, di talaga pinagbigyan. Pastoril, aras by Galaban. Pastoril, Lucas James. To Eugene, Eugene to Pastoril. Pastoril time to shoot. Foul by Carlos. Second pass to Abrea. Abrea for 2. Save to Nual. Nual. Ibay Pastoril. Still by Nual again. Nual to Ibay. Ibay to Nual for 2. Wala lang pinalobo.
19 na.
Ayan. Abrea to Pastoril. Pastoril to Rebua. Rebua. Wala pa rin. Follow shot by Rebua. Wala pa rin. Rebua to Abrea.
Ganda na pasa.
Galaban to Ibay. Ibay tries for 3
Nice block.
Time out! Pinasarap! Time 4 and 31 seconds.
Nanonoro, walang foul ang puta.
Ibay tries for 3. May sumabit. Parang nireplay lang yung kanina. Pero may sumabit. Rebua.
Fourth na ba yan? Fourth quarter?
Third pa lang.
Second personal. 17 foul. First throw by Ibay. Pasok. Second throw. Second throw, pasok pa rin. The 3 shot. The last throw. Third throw, wala. Rebound by Eugene. Eugene.
Kalaban ni Taguro eh.
Rebua. Rebua. Block by Ibay. Still. Valencia. Valencia. For good. Ready na mag for good.
Dodo na ba? Lumakas.
Abrea to Eugene. Oh. Galaban, dribble the ball by Galaban. Signal play to Carlos Nual. Nual, 15 to shoot to Valencia. Valencia nakatangka, pass to Ibay. 10 to shoot. Ibay side step to Carlos Nual. Nual for 2. Eugene, pass break still by Galaban. Galaban. Gamit oras si Galaban to Ibay. Ibay to Galaban. Galaban tries. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. Still.
Tira mo! Umi!
Ibay. Ibay tries for 3 by Ibay. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. Eugene to Cabreros. Cabreros. Still. Still. Still by Cabreros. Bigta. Sandali, sandali.
Easy na lang kayo dyan.
Kaya katambak
Okay, back to the ball game. Rebounding Ibay. Ibay to Galaban. To Ruiz. 2 and 25 seconds. Nual. To Ruiz. Ruiz tries for 3 by Ruiz. Pasok pa rin. points. 2 and 13 seconds. Abria to Eugene. Eugene to Cabreros. To Ira. Ira nagtatangka. Ira. Back pass to Cabreros. Ira. Wala pa rin. Still by Ibay. Oy. Ibay to Ruiz. Ruiz tries for 3 again. Wala. Rebound by Rebua. A foul. Number 28. Penalty red. First throw by Rebua po.
Beijingko.
Pasok.
Beijingko.
Second throw. Wala. Rebound. Still, last touch by White. Pinasarap to Rebua tries. Wala, rebound by Ruiz. To Ibay, to Victa. Dribble the ball to Ruiz. Signal play, 1 and 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. 1 and 25. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound by Cabreros to Abria to Ira. Ira sidestep by Ira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Nual tatangka. Pass to Ruiz. Ruiz tries. Pasok. Easy basket by Ruiz. Last 55 seconds. Last 50 seconds. Dalawan to Carlos. Last 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. 40 seconds. 5 to shoot. Airball. 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Nual. 4-2. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 4-2 by Eugene. 5 seconds. Game ball. Angeles dribble the ball by Angeles. To Flores. Angeles. 15 to shoot. Angeles magtatangka. Pass to Galaban. 10 to shoot. Galaban 4-2. Abria. Cabreros. Aras by Angeles to Rebua. Pass to Rail tries for 3 by pass to Rail. Wala. Rebound by Rebua. Follow-up shot for 2. Flores. Abuso, pass to Galaban. Easy basket by Galaban. Abria to Rebua to Pastorel. Nagtatangka, pass to Rebua. Foul by Galaban. Third personal foul by Galaban. First team foul. Abria. Aras by Galaban. To Rebua. Still by Victa. To Abuso to Victa. To Flores. 15 to shoot. Flores. To Angeles. 10 to shoot. To Abuso. Wala. Rebound by Cabreros. To Abria. To Pastorel tries for 3 shot. Follow-up shot by Cabreros for 2. By Cabreros. Galaban. Angeles to Victa. Victa tries for 3 by Victa. Pasok pa rin. 3 points by Victa. 7 and 7 seconds. Pastoril. Bring the ball by Pastoril. Signaling play. Pass to Cabreros. One nice pass by Cabreros. Oy. Napalakas. Follow shot by Rebua. Perez. Oh. Last time. 7 and 10 seconds. Eugene pass to Abria. Abria! May sumabit pa rin. Number 28. Warning by number 3. Sabrot. Kaya pasok. Warning for graduate. Ganaban. 17 foul. Pastoril tries for 3. Rebua. Rebua! Follow shot. Wala pa rin. Angeles. Ruiz. Torres. Valencia. 6 and 40 seconds. Ruiz. Easy basket. Pass break to Eugene. Eugene for 2.
Baka makahabol pa rin sila.
Mahabol na. Ang pinasalat.
28. Habol yan.
Valencia. 6 and 25. Haba-haba pa yan. Lones. Alas by Pastoril. Open to shoot. Torres. Torres. For 2.
Isang buwan.
Eugene. Eugene to Pastoril. Pastoril tries for 3 by Pastoril. Wala. Rebound by Angeles. To Cabuso. To Flores. Flores. Single play. 5 and 40. 15 to shoot. 5 and 30. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Valencia. Airborne. Alas touch by Angeles. Abria. Signal play by Abria. Abria. A foul. May sumabit by number. Last 5 minutes. Ruiz still to Cabuso. Cabuso to Flores. 4 and 54 seconds. 15 to shoot. Valencia. 10 to shoot. Cabuso wala. Rebound by Pastoril. To Rebua. To Abria. Abria easy basket by Abria. 4 and 30 seconds.
Wala na yan.
15 to shoot. Ruiz tries for 3. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. Eugene. Eugene to Abria. Abria to Rebua. Rebua tries for 3 by Rebua. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. Torres. 15 to shoot. Last 4 minutes. Cabuso. 10 to shoot. Angeles. 5 to shoot. Reset. Valencia. 3 and 50 seconds. Abria. Abria to Pastoril. Pastoril. Easy basket by Pastoril. 3 and 38. 3 and 38 seconds. 15 to shoot.
6 na lang oh.
3 and 30 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Reset. Eugene. Eugene. Wala. Gumawa.
Wala talaga.
Wala Flores. Cabuso. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 3 minutes. 5 to shoot. Pasok by Valencia. 2 and 55 seconds. Pastoril. Pastoril tries for 3 by Pastoril. Wala. Rebound by Flores. 2 and 45 seconds. Flores. 15 to shoot. 2 and 35.
Wala na.
10 to shoot. 2
Sumuko na
and
sila.
30. Abuso wala. Rebound by Rabua. Pass break. Last touch by Abuso. Eugene tries for 2 by Eugene. Valencia. 2 and 15 seconds. 15 to shoot. Abuso. 10 to shoot. Valencia. Last 2 minutes. 1 and 55. 10 to shoot. Ruiz. Rice. Wala. Rebound by Cabreros. 1 and 47. Abria. 1 and 40 seconds. Abria for 2. 1 and 35. Flores. 1 and 30. Angeles. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 1 and 24. Valencia. 5 to shoot. Ruiz. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Abuso. 1 and 10 seconds. Wala. Rebua to Abria. Last 1 minute. 4-2.
Commentator, nalobat na.
Last 55 seconds. Angeles 4-3. Pasok na rin. Di pa rin pinababa ang score. Cabreros. Last 45 seconds. Abria. Eugene.
Okay na yan.
Eugene for 2. Last 40 seconds.
Muntik na. Muntik na matambakan.
Game ball. What a nice game by Team Loyal and Team Pinasarat.
Muntik na matambakan.
Nice game. Forward na po yung Revengers and Equidas. Magandang laban din to.